Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install AhsayACB on macOS. So if you want to learn how to, then keep watching. To start with, from the download page for AMBAS or Ahsay Managed Backup as a Service Management Console, you'll see the installers of AhsayOBM, AhsayACB, Mobile and Restore for different operating systems and network attached storages or NAS. Let's go to AhsayACB by clicking on it and look for macOS. AhsayACB has two installation modes, online and offline. You can select on either of the two. The only difference is that you would need an internet connection for the online installer, and that it has a smaller file size allowing for a faster download time. However, it would take more time during the installation process as it would still have to download the other files that an offline installer contains. On the bright side, the online installer ensures that the latest version of AhsayACB is installed, while you will still have to download the latest version if you use an offline installer when a newer version of AhsayACB is released. For this example, we will be downloading the online installer. Click on the DMG online installer. This would automatically download the macOS online installer for AhsayACB. To run the installation, you can directly hover your mouse on the downloaded file and double-click it. Select the acb.pkg file and double-click the icon. This will prompt the AhsayACB installer window. Click Continue to proceed with the installation. Then click Continue again. Read through the software license agreement. Then select Continue to proceed. Agree to the terms of the software license agreement. Then click Install to start the installation. You will be asked to enter your credentials before installation. Enter your password and click Install Software. Wait for a few seconds or minutes until the installation is completed. This may take a while depending on your internet connection speed. Once the installation is successful, you will see this confirmation page. To launch AhsayACB, close this window, including this window, and go to the applications by opening Finder. Then select Applications. Here you can double-click on the AhsayACB icon. The AhsayACB window will open. When AhsayACB is launched for the first time after being installed, two options are shown: free trial and login. As we already have a login account, click Login. Once you're redirected to the login page of AhsayACB, enter your credentials to access your account. Then click OK. And that's how you install AhsayACB on macOS. Very quick and easy. In just few simple steps, you can now create your backup sets and start backing up your files.